Hey guys, welcome back. We have a video here for you today on this really nice 2012 Peterbilt 388. This has a Cummins ISX15 485 horsepower engine in it. Behind that has a 13-speed. It's got a 12,000 pound front, 20,000 pound rear, power divider. Has excellent rubber all the way around on all 10 wheels, Michelin tires. Front and all 8 drives are all aluminum. 120 gallon fuel tank, 48-inch sleeper. Got a real nice headache rack here for your chains or tools. Brakes are all good on all the drives. You have a air sliding Holland fifth wheel. You have the low air leaf rear suspension. You got new catwalk plates, new airlines, new electrical. The frame on this truck and the axles have all been sandblasted and repainted. You got dual 120 gallon fuel tanks. Very clean inside. You got your batteries under here. Here you can see the Michelin rubber. Got 22 fives. Got a nice toolbox. Got a 13-speed transmission, if I didn't say that already. A nice touchscreen radio. There's another angle here. It looks real dirty here on the video. It's just kind of the sun and the light. It's not actually looking like that in real life. Nice spacious sleeper. You got dual air cleaners. You got brand new 8-inch stacks. Very comfortable air ride seat. Truck's got 392,000 miles on it. We'll open the hood and show you the engine. There's absolutely no blowby. You can hear me real well there, but has no blow-by. It is a power lock, power window, power mirrors truck. Very nice, all black Peterbilt 388. If you're interested, get a hold of me. It's again a 2012 with a Cummins ISX 13-speed 48-inch sleeper. All new tires, brakes are in excellent shape all the way around. She's ready to go to work and turn some heads. Thanks for watching.